Hi, my name is Woody, COO of the company behind Ebreathing Nasal Dilator. I'm here to announce something special, the very first Ebreathing Award. This award is our way of thanking the many customers in San Diego and beyond who have supported Ebreathing over the years. Nasal expansion products often come with common inconveniences. They need washing and drying if reused, and adhesive strips can sometimes irritate the skin. At Ebreathing, we kept these issues in mind. From the start, we have recommended single use for better hygiene and convenience. Of course, because these products are very personal, it isn't always easy to create one solution that fits everyone perfectly. Even so, many customers have chosen Ebreathing again and again. That's why we want to reach out to express our gratitude, to hear your valuable feedback, and to keep improving our products for even greater satisfaction. Now, we are looking for our first Mr. and Ms. Ebreathing. If you think it might be you or someone close to you, please join us.